SuperSonicOz, and today we're playing nothing, actually. Anyway, we're going to be doing something that we've just ordered, and it's a snack surprise. So, what this is where we open it up, and we see what country it is. We got USA. So we got all USA foods. Okay, so first off, cheese it. Okay, some crackers. Let's try these. Ooh, these look cool. Like a little square. These are pretty good. I like these. Ruffles. Cheddar and sour cream. Yay. If you didn't know, I hate sour cream. You know, even though I hate sour cream, these are really nice. They kind of like quavers a bit. So this is a musketeer. Yeah, 3 musketeers. Wow, America has a lot of hard wrappers. Okay. Oh, that's good. It's nice and soft, but also it's got a nice like a nice white chocolate taste, kind of. Butterfinger. So, this is a Butterfinger. I've heard about this once or twice. It's a crispy, crunchy peanut buffery. I have no idea. Okay, so a little bit of opening. I can see what it means by crunchy. Yep, definitely.
Do you like it?
I don't really like this, but I can see if someone likes peanut butter or peanuts, they would like this. So I don't really like it. Nope. But I see someone else liking it. Oh! Pop-Tarts! I love Pop-Tarts. So we got some frosted blueberry Pop-Tarts. So we'll save those for last. And next we have Mr. Freshy's Oreo Brownie. It's a brownie! So this is an Oreo brownie made with Oreo cookie pieces. Ooh, so nice. But it's hard to get into. I'll be just a sec. Yeah, I'm gonna go and get some scissors. Wow, this is a big brownie. So this brownie, really nice. You can see the little white bits with the Oreo, but tastes like a normal brownie. So that means I love that. That leaves us with 2 more things left. This lolly and the Pop-Tarts. We're gonna do the lolly first because we're just getting Pop-Tarts ready. Woo! Okay. So this looks interesting to our lolly. Definitely not chocolate, but it tastes weird. Kind of tastes like a strawberry mixed with a cola. Combined makes this. I have no idea what this is. Tootsie Roll Pop. I've never had a Tootsie Roll. Okay, so the Pop-Tarts are ready. Finally. And
There they are.
they're a bit crumbled, but that doesn't matter. And it said they were blueberry. So let's try it. Okay, this is good. I like this. Now I wish I lived in America because these Pop-Tarts are amazing. I love these. If I could bring one of these back to England and have forever, I'll probably choose the Pop-Tarts. These are good. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Like and subscribe.